What is the number one tip to get kids started on coding? I am going to share the number one tip today. Hi, this is WizKids Club. Welcome to our channel where you can imagine, build, and play. Don't forget to subscribe to WizKids Club and get the latest videos. Hit the bell icon below for more. Tip number 1. Let us start by understanding what is a computer. A computer is a clever type of machine. Although it cannot think for itself as it doesn't have a brain, it can do important tasks by following instructions given by humans. What is a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to complete a task. Coding or programming means writing the step-by-step instructions that tell the computer what to do. Most machines follow these instructions written by a computer programmer. These instructions are called codes, and the process is called coding. In this day and age we live in, there are computers absolutely everywhere. Many of the things we see and use in our everyday lives have computers to help them work. Do you want to learn coding in less than 2 hours? Visit our website and get started with the 7-day free trial on Scratch. A quick game for you, Computer Mystery Challenge. How many computers can you find in the street seen below? What do the computers do in each of the things you found? Traffic light. Many traffic lights are coded to respond to busier periods of the day, ensuring traffic flows as efficiently as possible, although it may not seem like it at the time. Cars. Cars currently use code to tell us all sorts of information from tire pressure, engine temperature, and failures, and also has features such as the entertainment and satellite navigation systems. TVs and home entertainment systems. Smart TVs have relied on code for a while now, but more recently, systems such as Sonos allow users to change music and volumes across different rooms in their houses. This technology connects via an app on their smartphone or iPad, allowing the user to wirelessly control their home entertainment systems. Conclusion: as you can see, we use computers for so many things: to help us work, to watch movies, to listen to music, to play games, to make our food, to keep us safe, and a lot more. All of these need coding and has been developed by a computer programmer. You too can become one today. How do I start coding? You can register in the 7 days free trial at wizkidsclub.com/courses and start coding today. If you like this video, hit the bell now.